Hey guys, it's Cam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a wig tutorial and a wig review on this Brazilian straight hair that I got from Arabellahair. This is my first time working with them, so I'm super excited to let you guys know what they have. This hair has two combs on the side, a comb in the middle, and a comb on the bottom, and adjustable straps. It has the pre-plucked hairline, and it is the Brazilian straight bob. It has 150% in density. It is 12 inches long. It's a 13x6 lace frontal wig, and it's in a natural black color. In the box, they give you some goodies, some information about their company, some eyelashes, some hair ties, so you have some good stuff coming to you. I did have to go in and bleach the knots. I bleached the knots for about 6 minutes. And it came out pretty good. That's the only thing. It does not come bleached, so you do have to bleach the knots yourself if you like the lace to be tinted. I like to add pressed powder after I bleach the knots, and I used my pressed powder from Miss A, $1 of course, and I did use their brush as well to help disguise the knots even more so. Like, I like it to look super natural, so I go in with a little pressed powder over the bleached knots just so it looks really natural. Once I did that, I did go in next and pluck the hairline a little bit more. It does come pre-plucked, but I wanted to pluck it just a little bit more so it looks as natural as can be. So stay tuned and continue to watch, and you will see how I applied this wig, and I will give you my thoughts on what I really think about this wig at the end of the video. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you soon. Hey guys, it's Cam. Okay, let's talk about this hair. So this hair was sent to me by Arabellahair. I'm really excited to work with them. This is my first time. I got this hair through Amazon. It took 2 days to get here in the mail. You know, Amazon is bomb. It takes them no time to get products here. So let's talk about this hair. This hair is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It's in the 12 inches. It is in a bob cut. It has the pre-plucked hairline. It is a Brazilian straight, virgin hair. What else? It has medium brown lace, and it is 150% in density. So I did have to go in and bleach the knots myself because I just like to make sure that the lace and the knots look as natural as possible. I also went in and plucked the hairline just a little bit more after I bleached the knots, and then you also saw once I applied the wig, I went in and just did the hairline just a little bit more, just so it doesn't look so full, so blunt, like right at your hairline, because I don't believe anybody's hairline is just that perfect. So I wanted to pluck the hairline just a little bit more. This hair, let's talk about it. So I used the same products, the same technique that you always see me use. I used the Got to Be Glued Free Spray to apply the wig. I always notice that the ear tabs always give me the most trouble. So this is my tip for you guys. Use the black Got to Be Glued gel on your ear tabs. That will help you. Thank me later. That will help you big time, because the free spray, it ain't gonna get it. This is what you need to do for your ear tabs to help hold it down securely. Like, I don't know why the ear tabs give so much trouble, but that's what I do. Blow dry it, tie your hair down. For the sake of the video, I just tied my hair down for like 5 minutes, just so I can show you guys how this looks on. But I would usually leave it on as long as you can, maybe 15, 20 minutes or longer, you know, it doesn't matter. But just to help the lace melt. That's what you want to do. You want to melt that lace. So try to tie it down and blow dry it. I did notice some frizzies and some flyaways. So if you notice, this hair is pretty slick and nice and shiny, and the texture looks amazing. I did use a little bit of, I have it here. I did use a little bit of this, and I got this at my beauty supply store for $2.99. So it's called BB Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. I just put like a dime size amount into this hair because I didn't want it to get too oily. You don't want that. But you don't want to have all those flyaways. You see how slick that looks? I mean, it looks like our own, or my own texture, my own hair texture. Like, it looks so good and sleek. Like, that's what I'm really loving about this hair. It's so sleek, and it has body to it. It's not thin or anything. Like, I really, let me get up a little bit higher for you guys. Adjust this. Sorry. Apologies. Okay, so that's a little bit better. So yeah, look how good that looks. I did have to use the Care wax stick for the flyaways, and I tried something a little bit different this time. I tried not to put so many baby hairs on my hairline. I wanted to just kind of make it look as natural as possible. So I just did a little tiny something here, not much. I left that natural, and I really like how this came out. It's so pretty, and it looks so natural. I mean, it looks even nicer in person. I wish you guys were right here with me so you can see it. It looks so good. This is a really, really good buy. You guys definitely, I can't talk, I'm tired. Y'all definitely need to check this company out. They have some good products on or get some good hair on their Amazon site, so check them out. What else did I use? I did use my Kaposi flat iron on 420 to straighten this out. I did bump it just a little tiny bit, just so it won't be just straight. Of course, I had to use my Miss A pressed powder in the color Honey, $1. Check them out. Y'all have to check this site out. They have so many good products there. They have brushes, they have accessories, like these are from Miss A, my necklace is from Miss A. Check them out. I mean, my rings, like they have everything there, and no one can tell that you paid $1. Check them out. Sorry, I digress. But this hair, let's get back into this hair. And this hair is in a natural black color. I also want to throw that out there. Natural black color, and I'll give you the 360 of this hair. So here's the front. Okay. Here's the side. And here is the back. And the other side. It's bomb. I know. You need to check their site out so you can have some nice hair too. Check them out. Again, it's through Amazon. The name of the company is Arabellahair, and you will not be sorry. You will definitely enjoy having this lace frontal wig, and it's a 13x6 lace frontal wig. So do y'all see how deep this part is? Look at that. That's crazy. That looks so nice. I can't even wait to try a middle part to see how nice that's gonna look. I love having a lot of parting space. It just makes it look so natural. So this is now my second unit that I have with the 6 inches of parting space. And I think I'm digging the 6 inches better than the 4.5 inches of parting space. Like this is where it's at. Like this looks good. So yes, check Arabellahair out. You will not be disappointed. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what is you waiting for? Like, come on, subscribe below. It takes nothing just to click that button. Boom, that's it. Boom, click the button, click it. So, and also give me a thumbs up if you love what you see, which I know you do. Look how bomb this looks. So hit the like button, subscribe, and if you are subscribed, turn on your notifications button so you don't miss a beat when I post new videos. I have plenty more coming. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, I'm always here. Drop your comments below. Drop your thoughts below. I love to hear from you guys. And thank you. I love y'all for watching. See you soon.